In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to crossfade songs on Spotify. Crossfading is a cool feature that allows you to smoothly transition from one song to the next without any abrupt pauses or stops. This makes the listening experience seamless. To get started, open up the Spotify app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top left. After that, tap Settings and Privacy. And then tap Playback. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Crossfade, and it's set to 0 seconds. Which means Crossfade is disabled on Spotify. To enable Crossfade on Spotify, simply adjust the duration of the crossfade to your preference by moving the slider right. You can choose the length of the crossfade, ranging from 1 to 12 seconds. I'm going to select 4 seconds. Now, whenever you play one song after another on Spotify, there will be a smooth transition as the first song fades out while the next song fades in. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.